We'll begin a new discussion on calculus, how it evolved, and what is integration and what is differentiation, and how things work. Calculus, you are amazing, and algebra, you are amazing. Numerical mathematics, you are amazing. But how they are related to each other? How how calculus started? So that is a kind of thing that means the concept behind the calculus should be understood. This is what personally I feel so. So a person who is kind of doing too high in calculus, he should know too low in the calculus. Means how calculus evolved and why it came into the picture. So we know that the pillar stone of mathematics lies in addition. The pillar stone of mathematics lies in addition. So mathematics commence from addition. So if we see subtraction, then it is addition only, but in opposite direction. That is the subtraction. It is nothing but negative addition. 2 plus 2 equal to 4. True. 2 plus 2 equal to 4. 2 minus 2 equal to 0. Not true. 2 plus minus 2 equal to 0. So everything is addition when mathematics comes into the picture. Everything is addition. So 2 minus 2 equal to 0, not true. 2 plus in bracket minus 2 equal to 0. If if positive, what is addition? I keep getting something. That is from my side, that is the addition. Okay, so I keep getting, that is the addition. If I get 10 rupees, 10 rupees or $10, then I consider it as addition. Then again I get $10, then again I consider this as an addition. Again I get $10, then again I consider it as an addition. How much I got? $30. Net is $30. Now, now there is again, now consider I am getting something, right? Now this is a dollar. This is a dollar. This is a, consider there is a dollar. I get, I get, I get. Can you see the direction? From this direction to this direction, if something is happening, then it is addition. What about direction is changing? That is negative. So positive and negative, the difference is in direction. That's it. So if direction, now I getting to $10 means this direction. I am getting minus $10 this direction. Okay, you are getting one. So you are getting $10 or you are getting minus $10. Minus $10 means direction is reverse now. So $10 plus $10 plus $10 plus minus $10 plus minus $10. What is remaining at you is only $10. So in mathematics, everything begins from addition. Subtraction is nothing but addition only. Direction is negative, reverse. That is the subtraction. What is multiplication is cumulative addition. Too many addition, then we say it is multiply. Easy way. It has more energy. So if I say $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, someone will say, why you are saying like this? $10, $10, $10, $10. It is 6 times, right? So 10 into 6. That is that is kind of multiplication. Similarly, division is kind of rate of change. Rate of change. Every hour I am getting $10. $10. Then next hour $10. Next hour $10. Next hour $10. How much I am getting per hour? $10. That is division. I mean, I say I got $60. Someone would ask, in how many hours? 6 hours I got $60. Then how much I am getting per hour? Then it is 60 by 10. It is, if negative is reverse of positive, then division is reverse of multiplication. If I get $10, $10, $10 every hour, then how much I get at the end of 6 hours? 10 into 6. If I get $60 in 6 hours, then how much I get per hour? 60 by 6, 10. So addition, from addition, then subtraction, from addition, multiplication, from multiplication, division, and this is the way numeric science grows. Numeric science grow in this fashion. So it begins from addition and then it grows. But from addition, not only multiplication, subtraction, and division comes into the picture. There is another entity that comes from the addition is called calculus integration. Okay, so calculus integration also comes from addition only. If I get $10 in 1 hour, again in next hour, again I collect $10. Then it is $10 per hour is the collection rate. It's not collection, it is collection rate. $10 per hour is the collection rate. If I say fx function over r or ft, if t, okay, I mean I little bit I went ahead. Now collection is $10 per hour. If that is true, then at the end of 6 hours, what is the collection? 10 into 6. That is multiplication. But there is another thing also coming into the picture. If I draw a rectangle, if I draw a rectangle and one side is hour and another side is collection per hour. One is hour and one is collection per hour. First hour, second hour, third hour, fourth hour, fifth hour, sixth hour, seventh hour. What is the collection that is vertical? $10, $10, $10, $10. At the end of 6 hours, what is the collection? That is the area. Area of the rectangle, that is width into height. So 6 into 10, that is the area of rectangle. That is the area. So $60 is collected. This is integration. Integration means calculation of addition through area. If you calculate the area, if how somehow, so if you want to calculate the area, what is the prerequisite? What is the requirement for calculation of the area? There are two sides. One is horizontal side, one is vertical side. Now, if someone says, I am getting $10, I am getting $10, I am getting $10. Someone would ask, you are getting $10, that's correct. But how often you get it? Every hour I get $10. Every hour, so you get $10. This proves that there are two components. Hour is one component and collection is another component. Hour and dollar, they are related to each other. Dollar is related to hour. Hour is not related to the dollar. Hour will grow the way it grows. But dollar is per hour, this much dollar is coming. So we have dollar per hour, that is 10. So we can say the rate of collection of dollar per hour is 10. Hour is growing. Hour is not dependent upon someone, but collection is dependent upon the hour. If I say how much is collected, then anyone would ask in how many hours? At the end of 10 hours. Then 10 into 10, $100 collected. But hour is growing. So Now we will refine it more. Why? Area is more generic than addition and multiplication. I mean multiplication especially. Anyone say why you are calculating area? Just multiply it. Just multiply it. But sometimes it may not be smooth. First hour I got $1. Second hour I got $2. Third hour I got $3. Fourth hour I got $4. How many dollar I get? In how many hours? 4 hours. 4 into 4, not true. First hour $1 I got. Second hour span I got $2. Third hour span I got $3. Fourth hour span I got $4. If that is true, then how much I got? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. If this is like this for 10,000, then 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7, someone would start sweating in sixth or seventh hour only. 10,000 no one will calculate. If it was a smooth $10 for $10 per hour, at the end of 10,000 hours, 10,000 into 10, 100,000, 1 lakh. But here it is not possible. So it is not smooth. It is not continuous. Okay, it's continuous, but it is not flat. It is not flat. So what is the scenario now? If I say what is the addition, then 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. In multiplication is failed. Multiplication cannot be applied in variable kind of scenario, but still area can be applied. So area is not multiplication. Initially, we felt that area is multiplication. Area is nothing but it's a multiplication only. If I'm collecting $10 per hour, at the end of 3 hours, means 3 is the hour and 10 is the dollar. One is vertical, one is horizontal. 10 into 3 is 30. But it's a multiplication. Now, first hour 1, second hour 2, third hour 3, fourth hour 4. At the end of 4 hours, how much calculated? Addition will work because addition is always smooth. But I'll talk about addition will also not work if I try to get addition also. But area is a friend that will never betray you. So, but we learned one thing that if I calculate the area, I get the net addition. This is what I learned. Let's try calculating the area. So, at the beginning, 0 hour, there is no collection. At the end of 1 hour, $1. Okay, at the end of 1 hour, $1. At the end of 2 hours, in that span, I got $2. At the end of 3 hours, in that span, $3, $4. So it's like a triangle. I mean, I'll proceed. It's like a triangle. If it is a triangle, then height is 4. If height is 4, then triangle is half of the rectangle. If that is true, then 4 into 4, 16. 16, 4 into 4 is 16. So by 2, then $8 collected. Let's see. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. But area we calculated is 8. The triangle I drew, it is like a curve. It is a horizontal line. Then triangle goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then if this is a triangle, then triangle area is half of the rectangle. If I make full rectangle, then half is the triangle. Then the height is 4, width is 4, 4 into 4, 16 by 2, 8. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. But we calculated 8. So there is something lacking. What actually we want? We are saying that the collection at any moment is same as the moment. Okay, same as the moment. Area is more intricate. It's not that coarse. What we are trying to do here is we are trying to draw a histogram, pi histogram. So at the, or you can say a kind of bar chart. So at in 1 hour there is a bar. If this is 1 hour, if this is 1 hour span, there is a vertical bar of height 1. Then in next 1 hour there is a vertical bar of height 2. In next hour there is a vertical bar of height 3. Can you see this? In next hour there is a vertical bar of height 4. This is not a triangle. This is what is happening. First hour there is a vertical bar of 1. Next hour there is a vertical bar of 2. Next hour there is a vertical bar of 3. Next hour there is a vertical bar of 4. There are 4 vertical bars. This is not a triangle. This is a zigzag. This is a stair. Dup, 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 and dup. This is a stair. So the stair, okay, so the stair area is, if I go with the triangle, what triangle means? We are touching some point in each bar and drawing a triangle. Triangle area is less than the bar's area. Bar area is 10. First area is 1, next area is 2, third area is 3, and fourth area is 4. 1 into 4, 4. So net area is 10, correct. With area also it is correct. But we thought it is a triangle. It is not a triangle. When it is a triangle, triangle means the net collection is so smooth that it is exactly in variation of the time. Exactly in the variation of the time. If time is 2.3 hour, time is 2.3 hour, where r point is up to 999. So, okay, so 60 minute is divided into in decimal formation. Okay, 10. So at the when hour is 2.3, 2 hour point 3, 2.3, anyone can say how many minutes it is. 3 by 10, then I believe 3.3 of the 60, 18 minutes. So 2 hour 18 minutes, 2.3 hours, 2.3 hours. What is the collection rate? Anyone would ask. Now we are entering into algebra, but at the end, the net collection addition is area 1. So we saw that if someone is collecting $1 in first hour, $2 in second hour, then another pi, another histogram or a vertical kind of bar, $3 in third hour. So there is a stair now. If there is a stair, then we have to calculate the area. So that area is nothing but 10. Okay. But now the rate of collection is not stair. It is smooth in the sense at 2.3 hour, at that moment, the collection is $2.3 per hour at that moment. At the 3.6 hour, at that moment, the collection rate is $3.6 per hour. Every moment collection rate is different. Earlier collection rate was same, that is $10 per hour. It is exactly flat. Next collection rate varies every hour interval. First hour interval collection rate was 1, smooth. Second hour interval, full 1 hour interval, the collection rate was 2. Next full hour interval, the collection rate was 3. Next full 1 hour, the collection rate was 4. No, it's not the case. Every moment, the collection rate is varying. So, what is the collection rate at time t? Then t. Now, algebra is entry. Algebra means it would change the value is not now numerical. Value is completely dependent upon some variable that may change any moment. If I have a net collection of the dollar is x, where x is the time, or t is the time. If t is changing, the collection rate is changing. When t is 2.333334445566 and again 2 is 2.3344557777, means there is infinite distance, this infinite difference between these two times. Is it different? It's different. If they change, if two time moment they change by 10 to the power minus 12 also, then there is difference. This is algebra. So power of algebra is that it changes every moment. That is the power of algebra. So it would change every moment. If that is the case, then we come to kind of algebraic equation. So what is the rate of collection now? Per hour basis. Rate of collection per hour basis is not a numeric. Rate of collection per hour basis is T. What is T? T is the hour. So at the 0 hour, the rate of collection is 0. At the 1 hour, not the end of 1 hour, at the 1 hour time, at that moment, what is the rate of collection? 1. At the second hour, what is the rate of the collection? 2. At the 2.3344, what is the rate of collection? 2.3344 dollar per hour. So rate of collection is now, it would vary as per a variable. Any moment rate of collection would be different. If that is the case, then it is a smooth triangle. It is not a stair. It is a smooth triangle. If that is the case, then in staircase also addition word, right? 1 plus 2 plus 3, multiplication failed. No way you can multiply some number to some number to get the net addition. But addition word, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is what we want. Now addition also. I want the addition. Net collection means addition. So if collection is T per hour, where T is the hour, then when the dollar is getting collected, that is the collection rate, then what is the net collection? Now everywhere it is failing. Only place it will succeed is that, you remember, anyone would say, then what we can do now? If dollar rate is varying as per the time, because time will vary, it is the heartbeat that will always will keep on beating. Puff, 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 puff. It is varying always. Okay? You are sleeping, you are not doing anything, you are too lethargic, you are a lazy person, you are a waste person, you are whatever you are. But this will keep on doing. So that's why it is said that heartbeat is not in the hand of human. Heartbeat is in hand of God. If it is in hand of God, that's why it is pumping 24 hours. If it is in hand of human, then human would not survive even one day. The way it is lethargic and lazy, that it would not survive for one day. So time is changing. So dollar per unit time any moment is T. If that is the case, then what is the net collection at the end of 4 hours? I don't know. Miss, how I will calculate addition now? If I take 1 hour time span also, then it's not flat, it is curved. It is a slant line. Okay. I said t. What about sine t? E to the power t, log t, t to the power 5 by 5, or and all together. If these are the formula of the algebra, then what is the net addition? No one can do. But there is a, if there is a addition and there is a result, addition is a way to add, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3, and there is a result, then one guy that is touching these two is the area. If I calculate, someone would say, if you float a question in front of someone, that what is the net collection when this is the rate of change, then someone would remember what I did in the beginning. I calculated addition, dub, 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 but it's not possible. Because if I go with a staircase one by one by one, then there are infinite staircase now. The staircase is there, but there is an infinite staircase. If I go with multiplication, there is no fixed, width is fixed, but there is no fixed height. Height is changing everywhere. I cannot go with multiplication also. but there is a curve. There is a curve, then there is area. That is the where the now future is depending upon something called new terminology, that is called addition through area calculation. This is nothing but a fancy name of calculating the addition through area. Okay, calculating the addition through area is called integration. It's a fancy name. Integration has nothing to do with actually integration. Integration means addition. Okay, like what is a computer? Computer is nothing but a calculator. Calculator has ALU, arithmetic logic unit, which does the multiplication, division, and this and that. That's it. So calculator is nothing but calculator one. A computer is nothing but calculator one. What is the difference? It has memory. So rather than you type in, it takes data from the memory and do the calculation and then store in the memory. What is other difference? It has a graphics card. We show you. With that, a calculator also has graphics. There is no difference. Only thing, it has memory. Rather than you type in, it comes from the some memory region. Okay, but if someone say, okay, in award I'll give you calculator, and if someone say in award I'll give you a computer, just see the change of the face, the person who is receiving the award. Calculator means 200, 300 rupees, okay, or $3, $4, $5, but computer means it is like $1,000 or like 40, 50,000 rupees, 80,000, 1 lakh rupees. 200 rupees and 1 lakh rupees, there is a difference, right? So, but both are same. Only thing that there is a fancy name called calculator. Okay, one has only typing is only numbers, and there it has ABCD also. But at the end, all are getting converted into number and they are getting added here and there or shifting in the memory from here and there. That's it. So there is no much difference. That's how the calculus integration is simple addition where addition is calculated through area. Okay, addition required for the smooth line also, like if the rate of collection is constant like $10 per hour, then also calculus comes into the picture where the area is a rectangle or rate of collection is constant over a duration, then again in another duration it is constant like a staircase we talked about. Then again integration comes into the picture where each staircase we calculate the area, like first hour collection is 1, next hour collection is 2 for that hour, next hour for that hour collection is 3, next that hour collection is 4. There is a staircase. So first hour is a rectangle, width is 1, height is 1. Next hour rectangle, width is 1, height is 2. Next hour width is 1, height is 3. Next hour width is 1, height is 4, then 4. So 4 area, 3 area, 2 area, 1 area. Then it is 10. 10 is the net area. If 10 is the net area, then 10 is the net addition. You can add also 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Okay, or if someone said that he first 1 hour he received at the rate of $1 per hour, means $1 he received. For next 2 hours he received at the rate of $2 per hour. Next 2 hours, $2 per hour. Next 1 hour he received at the $4 per hour. Now if I draw, then first hour there is stair of height 1. Next 2 hours there is a stair of height 2. Next 1 hour there is a stair of height 4. What is the area? 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 2. Width is 2. Next 2 hours and height is 2, 4. And then 1 into 4. 4 plus 1, 9. So $9 he collected. Okay, if I go with the addition, then first hour $1, then next hour $2, next hour $2, per hour $2 is collecting. Then next hour $4, same 9. So this proves that now multiplication will not work. Multiplication will work only when it is smooth. So if it is collecting $10 per hour, smooth, constant, for 5 hours, the 10 into 5. Then only multiplication is the biggest limitation. It is understood now. Okay, addition comes into limitation slowly when number of a staircase is too many. So first hour collection is this, second hour, third hour collection, fourth hour, like this every hour rate collection is changing, and it is 10,000 hours, so no one will going to calculate it. How many times you will press in calculator also, not possible. Okay, but the person who comes into help is the area calculation. When area calculation is happening, then whatever is the rate of collection, it will try to frame into an algebraic equation. If algebraic equation is ready, then finding area should not be very difficult. So now there are three ways we learned that we can calculate addition. One is normal addition, one is through multiplication, and third is calculating the area. So area, calculating the addition through area, in fancy words, it is also called integration. And in bigger fancy words, it is also called calculus. So calculus integration, this is the beginning of the calculus, where addition comes from the area. Someone can say this as area addition. AD, AA, double A. What do you want? I want to calculate this addition through double A. That's it. Area addition. Addition through area. Both are double A. That's it. That is integration, integral calculus. But the way calculus is floated in the market of study, it looks like it is it is like a Caucasian mountain in Azerbaijan or somewhere. Okay, it is or Meru mountain. Okay, it's like integral calculus. Wow, it's a nothing but pure calculation of the area. Now, if I have a if collection is t, if t is the hour, and every moment the hour is the collection is that one. So if any moment time is t, then collection is t. Then it forms a triangle. When triangle, if this is t axis, then it is 0, then 1 it is 1, 2 it is 2, 3.3 it is 3.3. It makes a slant line. Okay, if it makes a slant line, then at any moment I want the area, it is a triangle. So at the end of 4 hours, what is the net collection? So that is the kind of question now. So what is the net collection at the end of 4 hours? So what is the area? If it is a triangle, then triangle is nothing but half of the rectangle. At the end of 4 hours, the height is 4. As per the formula, it is algebra now. We will see independent component, dependent component. If this fundamental is powerful, then you can do all artificial intelligence and machine learning and whatever deep learning calculus quickly. So at the end of 4 hours, what is the height? 4. Width 4. So this is a triangle. If this is a triangle, then it is half of the rectangle. 4 into 4 is 16. Then area of the triangle is 8. 16 by 2. So net collection at the end of 4 hours is $8. If dollar collection is $T per hour, where every moment it is keep on changing. Okay, so this is how it is. So we will proceed in it, and slowly we will see differentiation, we will see algebra, we'll try to cover vectors and those kind of thing also, and quotation, but everything begins from addition. Slowly we are serving addition only. At the end we are serving addition only. Now the branch, that addition has three branch. One is through addition, simple addition. One is staircase addition. One is multiplication and one is through area. So area branch is the calculus. So we will grow in the area branch because it talks about the smooth lines. So that we will see.